here comes the first flight for the Emotions drone, the Mavic Pro clone. So for those who have been following me, they know I've been comparing this drone to my VIVITAR AEROVIEW video drone to see if I'll prefer this one more than that drone. So this is the maiden flight and I want to see how it performs. Just linking everything right now. It easily links to its app, and then we're gonna go airborne and see if we can perform all the functions and decide from there. Alright guys, we are live. The camera is working. Everything seems to be moving smoothly with it. So let's ready for takeoff. Okay. And we are airborne. Wow, that is great. The only thing is, on takeoff it didn't just lift up straight and then hover. It, you know, it drifted backward. So I'm trying to see what's going on here. And also the camera stopped working. It is frozen. If you can see the image, it is frozen. So I really don't know what's going on with that. But let's play a little bit with the drone and see how it performs. It flips. It responds perfectly to the remote control. Yep. Only thing is, if I release my joystick, it doesn't hover, it drifts backward. You see? Yeah. See, it is drifting right now backward. I think I just need to recalibrate it and that should solve that problem. And apart from that, it is pretty much decent. It is doing great. The video is still frozen. I'm not sure why or what's up. Oh, okay. It looks like the video is coming on again, but it keeps frozen for some reason. It might just be a settings issue. So I'll check that and see what's going on. I might just have to recalibrate, reset everything, and that probably should be taken care of. See, it flies good. Over. Yeah, pretty decent. Pretty decent. Except for the fact that it drifts a lot. But it responds very well to the remote control. I wonder if it responds that good to the app as well. I'll have to try that. Wow, it's beginning to drizzle here. Uh-oh, froze again. Yep, it's doing good. I think I like it, but I'm not sure. It's drizzling, so I'll have to stop, and when it stops raining, I'll come back. Alright guys, here we are inside. During the first test flight, it was drifting. It responded perfectly to the remote control. It drifted backward. The camera kept frozen up. But apart from that, everything else went well. nevertheless, I still need to do an in-depth test run with this drone to kind of really test all the various functions. And the VIVITAR, for me, at this stage is still my favorite. But once I would have, flown this drone for a while, then I'll be able to, know if it takes the place of the VIVITAR AEROVIEW. But as of now, the VIVITAR is still the champion in the house. So I'll wait a little while, and once it starts raining, then I will go back out and test all these various icons or functions, and then we will see. So VIVITAR AEROVIEW still number one in the house. Challenger still to be tested. We will know. And please guys, thank you for all your support, thank you for all your comments, I really appreciate it. Please ask questions. If there are videos that you want me to make, please let me know. I will be happy to do those. And with that said, I will see you all in my next video.